PIMC bearing production. PIMC's bearing production begins at a high-quality steel tube base. Bolstered by automated ring turning processes, cutting-edge heat treatment technologies, sophisticated grinding and honing equipment, and a smart assembly and inspection line. This ensures the use of premium materials, advanced technology, and top-tier quality. Bearings from PIMC are extensively utilized across a variety of sectors, including drones, EV charging stations, mobile communications, robotics, solar power generation, truck hub units, large-scale farming machinery, and the food, drug, and beverage industry with antibacterial and anti-corrosion requirements, as well as wind energy and smart home applications. PIMC operates three distinct modes of bearing production. Lighthouse factory. This mode focuses on batch production of a single bearing type, employing highly efficient, standardized, and cost-effective production line equipment. This ensures the bearings are competitively priced and perform well in the market. Specialized factory. In this mode, PIMC designs and manufactures production line equipment tailored to the quality and process demands of specialized bearings, featuring dedicated lines for specific functions. Washing and testing factory. This mode involves acquiring universal groove bearings from other manufacturers and subjecting them to PIMC's washing, testing, greasing, capping, vibration testing, marking, preservation, and packaging processes as per customer specifications, offering a bespoke bearing production service. We invite international customers to explore the PIMC Baoying Bearing Industry Park to learn more about these through production modes. You have the opportunity to partner with or acquire our lighthouse, specialized and washing and testing factories to fulfill your unique bearing requirements.